Here's my Ryobi One Plus 18 gauge nailer. It's pretty good, not very heavy. The battery goes in the bottom, the buttons to take it out, a button for the light, a button to hit the nails, a nose, a magazine to load. If they're stuck, you can just open this one out, pull it out, take out the nail stuck. This is the magazine. You press it, take it out, you press it back, and there's a button here to shoot one at a time or multiple at a time. So if you do it one, you can just shoot one and then you have to take it off, shoot another. But if you use a multiple option, you can just press the button to whenever nose is pressed, it kicks. Overall, a great, excellent tool.